Happy New Year 2023 guys. I hope you had a wonderful holiday, a great Christmas, and we're just starting off the new year with some cosmetic jobs here on the T120, and then I'll switch to more mechanical and maintenance items afterwards. I'm just going to remove the old battery, see what it's like, see if it's any good. I suspect it's long since gone, but I thought you might like to see this. This is what they call the lunchbox latch system for holding the seat down. It's just awful, isn't it? I don't know what they were thinking when they built this. The plunger system is much nicer, but this, oh my gosh, they literally must have been running out of money at the time and sent some poor kid, some poor apprentice out to the hardware store and got a bunch of these. Cool, that's heavy. 15. Just removing the old strap. It's had it. Yeah, it's all perished. I feel it coming away in my fingers. No, I'm just going to break it. I think this rubber tray is actually stuck down. Wow, it's 11.7 volts. So I'll charge this up and see if it holds, but I doubt it. It might just not hold the load. For the next job, I'm going to remove these side covers, take off the boots off the carburetors, and then remove the carburetors because I have new carburetors to go on the bike. as you can see, it's looking a little grimy in here behind the airbox. So I'm just going to take it apart and clean it. Terrific, I'm real pleased with that. This whole battery box area and behind the airbox looks a lot cleaner and tidier now that I've cleaned it. I'm very happy with that. And so the next job is I'm going to remove the fuel tank, starting with the fuel lines and get the tank off, and then we'll see what's going on under here. These fuel pipes are fine, but I have ordered some new ones. I've placed a big order for a few parts and consumables, so they should be on their way. That smells a bit old. I did notice that this tank doesn't have a strap underneath the front or the rear. Actually, it's just held on by this one nut, this bolt that comes up from the frame. I thought perhaps there'd be a strap, so I'll look into that, but I don't believe this model came with one. case of accidents. I have also ordered new throttle cables and a clutch cable as well, so it's a good job that I've got the tank off. Removing these carburetors off this Triumph is so much easier than the Nortons, especially getting into the other nut on the other side of the manifold. I'm just going to start by removing the tops, the caps of the carburetors. I will be replacing the cable for both carburetors, but just gets these out of the way. Interesting to see how the transition has now occurred from Whitworth, British Standard Whitworth, to standard SAE fittings. I think it's almost all standard on here. I think perhaps a couple of Whitworth which were left over from earlier models. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Well, good job I got the new throttle cables on order. Wow. Hanging on by a thread. For this next little job, I'm going to be looking at the lifting handle, because this is not supposed to happen. There's a couple of pop rivets on both sides that need to go through here into here. But in order to put this on and do the pop rivets, I need to remove this whole lifting handle assembly. It's also missing the rear reflectors that I've bought. I'm just loosening these pins so that I can lift the lifting handle out of the way, but I don't want to pull them through because the suspension relies upon them.